guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I get this tiny winged eyeliner. I get a lot of questions. They say, please do a dedicated video on just your winged eyeliner. So today that is what you're going to get. Now, before we get started into this video, I just kind of want to go over the basis of my makeup. I will put a tutorial of exactly how I did this makeup look down below. It's from a previous, hold on, my nose is itching. It's from a previous tutorial that I've done in the past. It's just very simple. I use bronzer for my eyeshadow, and I just do a little bit of like a highlighter color on the inner corner of my eye. So in this tutorial only, I will be going over just my eyeliner and my mascara. So I will have all of the products linked down below. I guess I can do my foundation and stuff too. I get a lot of questions on that. It's the It Cosmetics CC Cream in the color Light, and it looks like this. Also down below in the description, I will put the link to my eyebrow tutorial. I get a lot of questions on that too. And the reason why they are already done in most videos is because I use like a tattoo product that allows me to wake up like this. Okay, so the liner that I like to use is, I'm bringing out two of them because they changed the packaging. I don't know what is the most recent, but is the NYX liquid eyeliner. This one. This is the matte. I don't get the vinyl one. I get the matte. The vinyl one leaves like a little shine, which is beautiful, but I like the matte. I think this is the old packaging. So it's just the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Eyeliner. That's all. This is in the color black. And if you take out the little applicator, it looks like a very thin little brush. Now the key to this is you don't want too much product on the brush, and you don't want too little product on the brush. So I always shake it up before, and then usually you get more on there. Mine is almost out, so I like it to be a very straight point. I'm going to set my elbow on a table, just like, you can't see it, but it's on the table. And I'm gonna put this brush right before my waterline. If I get it really close to this waterline right here, my eye will water and it'll take off the outer portion of my eyeliner. Now this stuff, I don't know if it's waterproof, but it doesn't like smear. It just kind of like flakes off a little bit. And so I don't like that like missing little chunk. So I do it right before my eyelashes end, and I take that line and put it right there. Now the reason why I use not a lot of product is if you mess up, you can kind of fix it and it won't smear. You can always darken it later. You just want that initial line. Now what I'm going to do is come down to the middle, that line I just created, and just bring it down. It kind of looks not connected, and that's okay because we're going to go back up and connect it and then fill in that little hole. And the reason why I only come down to the outer third portion of my eye is because I have, if you see where my crease is, it's very little. Like there's not much there. So usually my eyelashes come up. I have a huge whatever this is. So my eyelid is really big on this section. So that's why I bring my makeup super high up. And then my little lid is so tiny. So if I do black all the way over here, which I used to do, you kind of lose that shine on your lid, or say if you're doing like a glitter or something, it's just gone. It's gone. I started doing just the outer portion of my eye, and I've really liked it this way. It's worked out for me. Okay, so we're gonna fill in the product again. And then we are just going to fill in all of the empty spaces. Just like that. And then now, if you don't have a mirror close to you, I don't think that you could do this. I think that you need something close. I use this mirror right here. Wow, I have a beautifully clean desk. I will link it in the description box below. I think I got it off of Amazon. I'll find it. I'll link it. I'm pretty sure I got it off Amazon. It has a light on it. I don't like it, so I don't use the light. This is what I use when I do my eyeliner. Okay, let's do the other side, and we'll do it all over again. And like I said, guys, this doesn't usually take me 10 minutes to do this. I'm just showing you very slowly. Right before my eyelid or my waterline starts, and then bring it out, just like that. Very straight line. And then we want to connect towards that middle, and then see there's like a disconnect here. We just want to lightly bring it up to connect that. And then fill in. Now this is where you look at your eyes and you go, oh, they're not even. And then you fill them in and you fill them in, and then they get crazy. I'm not super particular if they're even or not. I don't really think people really notice, and I usually wear like this side of my hair down. If I look down, you can see one's kind of going more slanted this way and one's going more up. Do you notice when my eyes are like closed? No. It's kind of like your eyebrows. They just need to look decent enough. Okay? I don't know. Just don't worry too much about it. Nobody notices. Nobody literally is like looking at your eyes like they're off. You did wrong. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this deck of Scarlet mascara. Now, I would normally not pay $21 for a mascara, but I bought a couple of them when they were on sale for 50% off during Christmas time. I think it was like Black Friday. And this is my favorite mascara of all time. I worked with them a couple years ago and I fell in love with their mascara. So I've been using it ever since. Now, if you want to spend 20 bucks, I think it's $21 on a mascara, go for it. I know that there's mascaras out there that are a lot more expensive, but I just don't like spending a lot of money. So I usually stock up when things are on sale and then I forget about it. Somebody asked me recently, they said, how much money do you spend a week or a month on makeup? And I was like, I rarely ever buy makeup anymore. It's like I have what I need and I don't have to like replenish it. So usually if I need something, it's this. This is the thing I spend the most money on, and I buy it maybe once every 2 to 3 months, and I usually get it on sale. So I would say maybe $5 a month if we really have to get technical and like break down, you know, how much I really do spend, because my bronzer lasts forever. My blush, I haven't replenished it in years. I don't follow the code thing on the back where it's like, it's expired. I just don't. If you're a germaphobe, then more power to you. That's totally cool. I don't care enough. I haven't gotten a sick yet or a sty or anything. Oh crap, I'll show you how to take care of that. Okay, so if you get mascara on your lid, which I do almost every day because my lashes are pretty long. And like I said, my eyelid space is just crazy. Okay, now my little mess up is completely dry. So you take a spoolie. Now I have these, I mean, you can buy them. You can like take one from Sephora while you're there and just keep it forever. Or they're usually on the back of like eyebrow pencil brushes. So I'm just gonna take this and scratch it away. That one's a little too rough, so I'm gonna take this one, it's softer. There we go. And it is gone. It is no more. I have some down here too. There we go. You just need something to scratch it without taking off your eyeshadow. And for some reason, the scratcher doesn't take off eyeshadow. It just leaves it looking good. All right, and here it is, completely done, the finished look. I absolutely love this. I have been going to this for so long now. Now, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I used to do really thick eyeliner. I would do a ton of eyeshadow, and I would do like lashes every single day. When I moved to Tennessee a little over 6 months ago, I just kind of wanted to simplify what I did to my face. Out here, people don't wear a ton of makeup. I think still to this day, I probably wear the most makeup out of all of my friends out here, which is fine. I still love doing makeup. I still love it. I just think that I put a lot of pressure on myself before to look a certain way because of Instagram or YouTube or just living in Southern California. And I realized I really don't need to do that. Like, I just need to be myself and feel my most comfortable. For me, simplicity was where it was at. So I know I haven't done a ton of makeup tutorials recently. It's just because I've been doing the same thing, and I think it's okay. I think the majority of the people out there do the same look every single day, and it's kind of like your signature. So instead of trying to branch out and do a whole bunch of crazy things, I've just found things that I really, really, really enjoy. In fact, I'm working towards wearing less and less makeup all the time, and I've really come to enjoy that, and I don't obsess about like comparison anymore, which is nice. I think it's just been like a process, like maybe through my recovery of my eating disorder, maybe I used makeup to like mask that or like give my mind something else to think about for a while. And now that I've been more comfortable in my own skin, I don't feel like I need to hide from much anymore. So that's why I'm a little less creative on here. I think can I say I don't really want to be in the beauty community? And I like that I'm kind of like on the outskirts of it. I know, like I said, I've been changing up things on my channel. I haven't necessarily just been focusing on the hair and makeup aspect of this channel anymore. I'm adding things in that make me happy, whether it be home renovation stuff or the Chloe's Kitchen thing. I absolutely love doing Chloe's Kitchen. I think it's very fun, and it shows a lot of my personality outside of this sit down teaching. I know you guys say like I'm a good teacher at things, but I also am really funny and really quirky and silly. I like just being silly, so I wanted to show that side of myself with you too. And food is a huge part of my life, so now I get to like enjoy my new kitchen and fall in love with cooking all over again. So thank you for being supportive in that as well. Anyways, done with my rant. I'll see you guys in my next video.